Messages and data are exchanged back and forth between nodes as part of most integrations. Contrary to popular belief, these are not the same things at all. Allow me to explain. The Azure Service Bus is a critical component of any discussion of messaging in Azure. And the service bus is built to either do relayed messaging, where nodes communicate with each other by relaying messages through the service bus, or brokered messaging, where a message is sent to the service bus where it can be queued up for delivery to one or more clients that have requested that message. In the brokered messaging subsystem, there is a very extensive publish and subscribe model. This is the publish and subscribe event notification system I briefly mentioned earlier. The semantics are now open for debate. However, when I think of events, the primary function is to inform you of what has occurred. A message's primary function is to transfer data from one system to another. As a result, the event grid's primary objective is to alert you to events that occur in your Azure infrastructure, applications, or any other Azure services. Then you may process that by going out to blob storage and doing something and then sending a message to another system, for example. Another service we offer is API management, which is all about assisting you in publishing APIs, safeguarding them, and overseeing their management. The ability to create developer portals or documentation of APIs is one example. You can also use this to create composite APIs, which allow you to define a client interface or API surface that actually composes different operations or interactions with a variety of services on the backend. Azure Logic apps are a great way to manage all of that messaging and get it all done in a timely manner. A workflow engine is provided to orchestrate these various messaging interactions. They show you how the messages in your process flow from one to the next. An event from the event grid may serve as a starting point, but the next step in your business process, as well as the systems with which you communicate and the actions taken as a result of those communications, are all part of the workflow. To summarize, Logic Apps gives you the option of describing your business processes visually or through JSO, and then connects to hundreds of different types of systems in the Azure cloud, other clouds, SaaS, and your own data center with ease. An integration account can be used to extend Logic Apps. With integration, you'll be able to get some of the features you need. Enterprise file formats, such as comma-separated files or AD documents, may seem like an oxymoron when I say things like those, but they are very commonly used. XSLT or liquid templates can be used to transform XML or JSON, for example, from an AD file to JSON or from a CSV file to XML. As a result, you'll be in charge of managing your partners, including things like certificates, endpoints, and defining agreements between your organization and theirs. All are a part of the accounts for integration. Schemas exist for the various types of files you'll be exchanging. These transformations can be applied to the maps you have already created. Agreements are the glue that hold everything together. Your Logic apps can also incorporate all or a portion of these integration features as you manage the various exchanges.